Hey everyone, Jong Uy here and welcome back to the Weekly Score, your weekly update on the latest deals for plugins, virtual instrument, and music gears. So let's check out what's there to score this week. Checking out what we have for you for this week's Weekly Score. Let's talk about what's new, deals of the week, and my top 3 picks for pluginboutique.com. Starting off with what's new. German-American plugin makers Ujam launched Finisher Retro. It is the company's 5th addition to their series of virtual multi-effects that are designed to combine the power of an entire effect rack with the ease of use of a single plugin. I have a song demo review of this one and I explained the importance of this Ujam Finisher products. It may sound easy or obvious for everyone on what's going on your tracks like reverbs, delays, flanger, tape hiss, and a whole lot more. But the process of going there instantly is quite tasking. Time spent noodling around might be too much, and sometimes at start you don't know what it is that you want, but hearing it on the tracks by simply plug and play is indeed a breeze, and going through the different presets and tweaking a handful of knobs to your liking would also be a breeze. So that is what Ujam finishers are for. Make things easier, faster, and have more time making and composing music. So it's on an introductory price right now, or try it out for free for 30 days. Links on the description below. Next up on what's new, Neural DSP released a new plugin for guitar players like me, the legendary amplifier that originated the high gain tone Soldano Slo100. Now it's on your desktop. This is indeed a great addition to Neural DSP's lineup of plugin. Aside from having 2 channels covering the entire dynamic range you need, there are 2 overdrives that provides additional gain and presence, very ideal for heavy-hitting rhythm tones and soaring leads. They have a 14-day free trial. Check it out. Links on the description below. Now let's get on to the deals. Cinematic Guitars Infinity by Sample Logic is a must-have. It is a no-brainer if you're not getting this. I'll be having a song demo and review on this one, dropping it soon. This one sells at $499 US, and now it's only less than $100. You will get 4 sample libraries right here: Cinematic Guitars 1, 2, and 3, and Cinematic Guitars Infinity. It contains a lot of stuff, not only guitars. When I say it's a lot of stuff, over 6,000 presets and endless of combination between the sound cores and multis. So not only guitars you have on this bundle, but also a whole lot of loops, percussion, pads, synths, and a whole lot more. Better hurry on this one, it's really worth it. Links on the description below. Next up, Rigid Audio's Pad Therapy is 90% off for only $6. Pad Therapy features 9 sample playback engines with 64 source waveforms. On top of that, you can also import your own wave files in each Pad Therapy layer via drag and drop. Pad Therapy is Contact 6.4.2 instrument with 128 morphing pad textures. These sounds are ideal for music production, for movie scoring, and video games. So check on the links below for that one. Next up, if you're looking for Irish whistles, O'Malley's Irish Whistles by Liverwave is 78% off for only $14.99. O'Malley's Irish Whistles is a collection of 4 virtual instruments with samples performed by Mimi O'Malley's. Included are D, C, B-flat, and low D whistles. The library is available for both VST and AU plugin format. Features as a legato continuous dynamics and a dedicated breath controller mode to give you the ability to craft a nuanced performance. Check on the links below. And now let's head on to VST Buzz Pure Synth Platinum Bundle by Gospel Musicians for only €99. Pure Synth Platinum Bundle is a software-based Rumpler and synthesis library that has bread and butter samples of a traditional hardware keyboard, combined with synthesis techniques available in most complex of digital and analog synthesizer, together with 6 incredible expansion packs for chiptune, funk pop, R&B, soul, and EDM. You will simply have the best experience if you get this plugin. Next up on VST Buzz is British Bundle by Nomad Factory is 77% off for only 25 euros. Nomad Factory digitally recreated the equalizer and master bus compressor limiter, which were part of the well-known British mixing console. Designed to improve the quality of digital sound recording, these plugins provide a simple and functional vintage-style interface as well as low CPU consumption for lightning fast processing. Check on the links below for that one. And now for my top 3 picks for pluginboutique.com. And of course, as always, these are just my picks since that I am currently using them right now. So my first pick is Spire Synth by Reveal Sound. Spire is my go-to synth right now because it is very flexible and very easy to use and very easy to navigate through the interface. But it also has this bundle sale which includes online courses, expansion packs, and this synth is really a very nice sounding synth with lots of good sounding preset. Better check it out. My second pick is another bundle synth, Ascension plus Expansion by AA Production. Ascension is a dance workstation, a cutting-edge synth which also includes royalty-free MIDI files, and of course, plus the Expansion gives you that massive library of nice sounding preset. And my third and last pick is another synth from KB331 Audio, the Synth Master series. You could start off with Synth Master Player and get serious with Synth Master 1, or get it all, which includes their top of the line Synth Master 2.9, which I have a song demo review of that one as well. Better check it out. And of course, if you get any plugin at pluginboutique.com, you get a free giveaway. This is Wavebox by Audiothing, a dynamic dual wave shaping distortion. And now let's move on to last call on deals. Gothic Instrument Sculptor Bundle for only $74.99 US. Again, KV331 Audio Synthmaster 2.9 is only $29.90 US. Audiothing Type B for only 15 euros. And of course, Sample Tracks Ultimate Cinematic Bundle for only $49. That's it for us for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel for you to be able to get a notification that we have the latest update on deals for plugins and virtual instruments. So, let's see you again next week.